Cookie. Cookie.
Jesus. Never tell us to prepare food. Keep me, man. Oh, why you share out the food and keep me, man?
Sleep with what?
People and man.
You can't sleep with nobody, man.
Me just clean your husband's shoes. You're going to let me when they clean your man. I'm tired of all the problems from you came here. I really my glass yeah drink out of? My glass? Cook give you.
Sit, me can't come for you.
Can't come get you. You feel me I eat, you feel me I know say you girl let me bite give you. You feel like something I know.
Cookie, what wrong with you?
You come try for pretty.
What wrong with you?
No.
So where is Cookie? Cookie! 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 Seems like she must be sleeping on something.
Who's calling me? Dad, you're here.
Yeah, I'm here, Cookie. How you doing?
I'm fine.
Nice to see you
Why
again.
didn't you tell me that you were coming?
No,
Huh?
I don't know like
I'm sure you told Skinny and you didn't say anything to me.
No, I didn't understand.
Father, what's going on? I like your jacket.
Thank you.
I can't believe you just come suddenly and pop up on us, Skinny.
Yeah, man, I like the way you guys live loving though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bobby in a pot.
True.
Like father, like son.
Yeah?
True.
True. So, when you guys plan to get a child, because I've been worried about it so much.
It's easy as I come.
Yeah, Skinny, I wish I could come and see my grandson here.
Oh. Very soon, Pops. Very soon.
Very soon. Okay, it seems like something is in the making.
Yeah. Soon.
So you guys gonna surprise me as well?
Yeah.
Like father, like son.
Like father, like
Yeah.
son. True.
True.
Yeah.
So,
how's the flight, Pa?
you know, it was great.
True, man.
Yeah, I took it to Miami and
First
then
class.
yeah, it was.
I just can't believe
First
it.
class.
So sudden.
I say, come on, and rich and wealthy.
You just do what you want to do.
You got more privilege. I like.
Yeah?
Yeah, fly when you want.
True.
Everything when you want, you know?
Yeah, man, but I just came to do some business still. I don't plan to stay no long time.
True, man. Cause I want to talk about that thing if it's true, no, cause boy, want to get business up and running, man. Cause he said she want to be the CEO or the manager.
Yeah.
All at once. True. Yeah.
Yeah, as
You
long
just
as,
can't supervise. You don't know.
as long as you guys have the potential to run the business,
Yeah.
you're gonna do it.
True,
But
man.
my business is no plaything, so if I'm see you guys joking, I gotta get some
What
money.
you talk about, Pa? When you see,
So you have experience in that field, Cookie?
yeah, she does.
She does?
Yeah, Pa. What you talk about?
Well, that's a plus for us then, Skinny.
Yeah, Pa. And she make me know say if 4 man then have goods of a choice, I have to go check them out. Like when you're there, cause I didn't get the chance. Cause I don't say I fall today. So you know,
Skinny. That's where you're messing up from first. Because if I give you one of the things to do and you say you couldn't do it, who are you gonna run the
who
business?
couldn't? Let me do it. I mean, the power you talk about.
No, but you say you couldn't get to check the foreman. Why you didn't get to
Then
check?
today tell me that, Pa. This morning.
Oh.
You should wait till tomorrow when you fly in, then you can say something. I lie. I have to true.
True.
That's a true. That's it. Pa, you have to give me the glasses there, bad for
Yeah,
true.
man, I bring a few stuff for you too. You wanna try it on?
Yeah, man, for true. Yeah, chat, oh.
Yeah? How you doing? Fit you well, though?
True. Hey, Omelo.
Yo,
Yeah.
Chat, bossy.
Yeah?
True.
Fit you, my son. Yeah, man.
True.
Yeah.
Pa, you know want something for drink?
Yeah, I want, you got, give me a bottle of water.
Water. About a dragon spitfire.
Yes, true, because I don't time in a
Hey,
stick
I'm
of
a
fire.
favorite for true, you know. Yeah, man,
Yeah.
for true.
You know,
Yeah.
and the Jack and Spitfire make him come down.
Really?
Yeah. So, it seems like you have to start drinking some as well.
He's been drinking it.
You've been drinking?
A whole lot.
So, how my son been treating you, Cookie?
Really well. You raised him really good, Dad.
the tree from it young before you get old.
That's true.
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 Yeah?
Pops.
Yes,
And they run up, you know. You drink them hard, you know. Drink them hard.
Thanks, my son. Yo, if it wasn't for the split fire Jagan,
Yeah.
me and you would be in the same shows.
Pops. And I easy, you know. But watch your style. Me and I wear shit for the same shoe size, but we wear the same shade size. And I say,
Don't look like the
what's the
same
nice?
size skinny. Give me my glass, cause my shades, cause it seems like you're stretching it out.
Pops, I style for children. I baby, make my face big.
A little bit.
I work for children.
You don't think you must stretch it out, Cookie?
It fit me back.
Yo, I got a new one. I'm gonna give you a different one. Will fit you better. Much better.
I say, I have a new one for me.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
It
for
don't
sure.
even come out of plastic.
But when I roll it, rolling dice, I have to roll wise. Never
Yeah?
wise. So for true.
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 Yeah?
Pop
To
for
blast.
them, you know. Hey, I pop, give me the style, yeah. You know. Son, let me tell you this. So when I roll it, rolling dice, you have to roll wise. Never lies. So for true. True. Hey, if you don't pop man for 1 month, man, I tell you, ain't kill you with style for true.
Yeah?
Like, yeah?
To blast.
For true. So I go on, you know. Pops,
You know, what I really want to talk about still, since
Yeah.
the two of you are here, when are you guys going to give me my grandson?
Pops, me so far, yeah? So far, that's
So
that
far.
the cookie boy, eh?
So, the Cookie,
That's the cookie boy, eh?
can Cookie alone give me a grandson? You are my son, so you're the one I'm talking to.
Pops, when you're ready, get Pops the key and thing, nah? Can't get you, eh?
Skinny, are you a
Pops,
man give them?
you joke too much, you know, Pops, come.
Skinny, are you a man give them? Or,
Pops,
what them call them weed again? What them call
stop
them
the
weed?
foolishness, no, man. Sure. Stop the foolishness, man.
Alright.
You still have that joking thing in there, Skinny. Well, you
Hey,
know,
Pops, I ain't grown me, you know, I'm Musa.
but guess what? You know what I don't like though? You look a little bit more skinnier than Alessia.
Why?
Look like Cookie's not feeding you very well.
No, Pops, she a feed me good, man, for true. I mean, I really eat, man, but Cookie give me enough food for it. But me I tell her, true.
But I only see some ramen up there.
Ramen.
Yeah, some ramen.
Why? Pops run out of food. And that's why I tell you, say me dey want to look food for true, Pops, man. I run out of cash, man, and thing, man. The thing soft, you know, Pops.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a piece of food that you can go and do some shopping.
Yeah, Pops, man. I think soft, you know, for true, you know.
Okay, my son. Don't worry yourself.
Go and get some rest, man, and think, man, you know.
So where's the room?
Yeah, eh? Okay, I'll get the key and thing.
Okay, cause you know I'm a bit tired, cause it's been a long flight.
Here, Dad.
Thank you.
Yeah, that one.
Skinny, give me a man with an ox for. I don't want to get in a row.
Boss. What's that? Boss. Roll it. Then be in a room and I turn and you see and relax yourself, man.
No, who is that young lady I see in the room?
What young lady?
I saw a young lady in there and the
I joke you have me, Pops. Now the minute, man. Hey, wake up, man. What kind of style? Pops, what you talking about? Come on, wake up, man. It's where you can't say your father can say in a
Me I mean for jump asleep.
Come on, get up and set up yourself. Pops, I work, she I work. What you talking about?
It doesn't matter.
Come on. Set up the room.
Let the young lady sleep on us.
Jesus Christ. Come touch me in a big bed. That's why I'm gonna bunny me now with my mom. That's why. Two, soft chair, big bed. Can't release me, drop asleep.